What is going on, everyone? In today's video we're going to be canceling our TubeBuddy account. So let's jump straight into the video. Now I'm going to try not to waste y'all's time, but I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory on this. The first thing that you got to do is obviously open up your internet and go to TubeBuddy.com and sign into your account if you have one. Now the reason that I'm canceling TubeBuddy is, for me, it doesn't really feel like it helps what I'm trying to do, except for helping generate tags for every upload, which is nice, but tags don't work the way that they used to on YouTube anymore. They're not really as important in order to get your video found. And I'm not here to talk down on anything. If you guys are using TubeBuddy and if you find it helpful, that's totally fine. I just don't want to keep paying for it. Now, I did sign up for the Pro membership, which is the cheaper membership of the two. Now, the more expensive one is definitely more expensive. It's around $200 a year, and I just don't want to pay for that. But that's really what you need to pay for every year if you want to get access to all the tools that TubeBuddy has. So what you're going to do is go to your account, and then here under your home page on your account, once you're signed in, you're going to click on your licenses. These are your licenses that you have active. From here, you're going to click on manage or upgrade, and that's going to bring you to the license that you currently have. And in order to cancel this, you're just going to scroll all the way down, and then at the very bottom of the page, you're going to click on I want to downgrade my license. After that, they're going to ask you for a reason, and you can pick whatever it is that you want on here. For right now, so I don't have to mess with it, I'm just going to click I need to reduce my expenses, and we're going to click on next. And then this right here, I think, is actually worse than a lot of other pages that try to keep you, because they're going to ask you what can we do to keep you, and they want to have you talk with people and stuff like that. Even if you scroll down to the very bottom of the page, you cannot click on continue with downgrade until you type something in here. I don't think that's a good look, but go ahead and type something in here. I'm going to put no, and we're going to continue with our downgrade. And that's it. Again, it's going to tell you what's going to change, and you're going to click on I understand. I will lose access to my pro license at the end of your term, and then downgrade my license. So be sure you click on that check mark, and then once you have that checked, click on downgrade my license, and then it's going to tell you thank you and to make sure you can go back to your license page. And now you guys can see we will be downgraded to the free license after August 20th. So that's the way that you cancel your TubeBuddy subscription if you have one. Again, I'm not here talking bad about TubeBuddy. It's just not the tool for me. I may even try vidIQ's trial thing that they've got, but I do like checking out these tools. I do like seeing what's good, what helps and stuff like that. But for me personally, TubeBuddy just wasn't what I needed it to be at the price point that I wanted it to be. So that's how you cancel TubeBuddy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.